Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is May 22nd, 2019. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, today we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading lower by just 11.25 points. I say just 11 because sometimes we see these market moves in the morning much higher, much lower. Again, markets had a pretty solid day yesterday, although the volume was very light. That usually does help markets stay buoyant, and it certainly lifted markets yesterday. So we'll see what we get today out here. Right now, futures are a little bit lower. We'll see if it's a buying opportunity or if the market starts to sell off. It's going to be interesting to see. We have a lot of earnings on tap, so let's get started. We're going to start off with Nordstrom Jwn. This is a big retailer. Stock right now is getting hammered to the downside. Closed at $37.86. Now trading at $33.70. I'm looking at levels down here. I'm not sure I love any that I'm seeing right now. I will be watching the $30 area if it gets there. If it gets there, I think that might be enough to pull off a day trade, but we'll make that decision in the intraday stock chat room a little bit later. Next one we're going to take a look at is going to be Urban Outfitters, URBN. Stock right now is trading at $25.50, closed at $27. I honestly don't see anything great here. If this stock gets down to 21, though, I do like it there. I'm not sure we'll see that. But again, I'm not seeing any level that really strikes me for Urban this morning. Next up, I want to take a look at Toll Brothers, TOL, big home builder here, high-end home builder at that. Stock is trading at $36.27. Closed at $38.35 last night. So a little bit of a haircut here for Toll Brothers. I will have gap levels ready to go for this stock once the opening bell rings. They'll be posted up actually in the intraday stock chat room right around 9 a.m. Let's take a look at PSTG. This is Pure Storage. Company right now is trading at $16.95, closed at $20.60. Ouch. This is a big decline here today. This is about 18% right now. So again, this is a big fall. We'll look at this one a little bit lower. I'll have gap levels ready to go for PSTG. Next up, want to take a look at Target. Target having a pretty good morning. Stock closed at $71.96. Now trading at $76.65. So that's a good pop there. A lot of resistance still around $78. You can see that was the pre-market high. If you look at the daily chart, you'll notice that's right into that gap window. A lot of resistance there. We'll be looking at this one once the opening bell rings. Next up, we want to take a look at another retailer here, LOW, Lowe's. So Lowe's companies right now trading at $101.50. Stock closed at $111.09. That is a serious haircut. I have gap levels ready to go for LOW, so get ready. Hopefully they'll come into play. I think they will. We're not too far off. And again, LOW, gap play this morning. Let's take a look at VF Corp. VFC is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $86.50. Closed at $92.10. Pretty good little haircut here. When I look at this name, there's definitely some support around the $84, $85 level, but you got a big gap lower. I would watch $80 initially and then all the way down to around the 75 level. So somewhere in there, we'll look at that one again. Let's take a look at Advanced Auto Parts. AAP is a ticker symbol here. That stock's holding up well. Closed at $161.26, now trading at $165.40. Now here's the big news of the day. Qualcomm. Qualcomm getting pounded and grounded today after a court ruling was released by a U.S. District Judge, and they ruled that the company's practices violate antitrust regulations. So that's a mouthful right there. You can check it out for yourself. But either way, Qualcomm getting hammered. Closed at $77.75. Now trading at $69.77. Now, it just came out. Qualcomm obviously is going to appeal the decision, so they'll have another day in court. But either way, that stock is hammered to the downside. I do have levels ready to go for Qualcomm today. Next up, I think we covered it all. Let's do one more here. ADI, Analog Devices. Stock is holding up pretty well. Closed at $99.88, trading at $101.05. Nothing I would do with it here, but we will look at it once the opening bell rings and we'll see where we go. Let's shift gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold futures trading up $2.20 to $1,275.40 an ounce. I don't think we're going to make too much out of that move, but nonetheless, gold upticking a little bit here. Next up, we have crude oil down 86 cents to $62.27 a barrel. So again, if you look at crude oil, down and out in Beverly Hills today. If you look at the USO chart, which is a good ETF to track the movement in crude, you'll see that's trading at $12.94. It did close at $13.12. So again, we'll be looking at this and much, much more in the intraday stock chat room. If you have not done so, come on over. Take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We got good volatility out here. Lots of moving parts today. Lots of gap plays. We're having a sensational 2019. Take the chat room. You could trade right alongside of us. So again, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. With that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we'll see you a little bit later on the charts.